Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to do the press-pull command in 123D. First we're going to start with a box, and there's two main ways to do this. One is to click on the box on the solid body, and now you can choose a face, and from these options there is press-pull, and you can just grab this arrow and move it around. Note the linear snap. Did you see how it was kind of jerky? I can now do this again, and I'll grab this face again, I guess. Nope. Grab this, grab that. Press pull, and now you can see it moves pretty smoothly. I can also enter in and say I want it at negative 20 millimeters. And the other way to enter the press pull command is in Modify, Press Pull. And so now you can just directly pick the face you want to move. Hit enter when you're done. And in addition, you can just hit the P key. If you hit the P key, that will also start press pull. And so I can grab this face, drag it along, and so that's how you use the press pull command. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.